Hi everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how you can change your handle name on YouTube. So if you find this video helpful, please give it a like and make sure you subscribe for more useful tutorials. So what you'll need to do is click on your profile icon on the top right, then click on View Your Channel. Once you're on here, you should see the option to customize channel. And you just need to scroll down and you should see handle. So what it'll let you know is choose your unique handle by adding letters and numbers. You can change your handle back within 14 days. Handles can be changed twice every 14 days. So obviously you need to pick a unique name. So if it's unavailable, it'll just come up with this little apostrophe and say handle's not available. Then if you get a name that's available, it'll have a little green tick and it'll give you the option to publish on the top right. So all you have to do if you're happy with that is click on publish, and that will change your handle on YouTube. Thanks for watching.